Welcome to the Daily English Podcast, where we make learning fun and engaging.
Hello, professional learners. Welcome back to Daily English Podcast 1. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, everyone. Emily, today I am wearing a tie.
I see that, Paul. You look very serious. Why are you dressed up?
Because today we are talking about work. In 2026, work is different than it used to be, but the questions are the same.
Yes, the most common question you will hear at a party or a networking event is, what do you do?
I usually say, I am office worker.
Paul, stop right there. That is a grammar mistake. In English, you need the article a or an.
Ah, right. I am an office worker.
Better. But office worker is very vague. It doesn't tell me anything. Today, we're going to teach you how to give a specific professional answer.
So instead of I work in an office, I can sound like a professional expert.
Exactly. Whether you are a student, a manager, or a freelancer, we have the words for you. Let's start with your job title. This is the name of your position.
Like manager or assistant.
Yes, but let's be specific. Instead of just manager, say sales manager or project manager.
What if I don't have a specific title? Can I say the department?
Yes, you can say, I work in sales, or I work in marketing, or I work in IT.
Note the preposition in. I work in human resources, HR.
Correct. In 2026, many people work in data or content creation.
I am a content creator for this podcast.
See? That sounds much better than I talk on a microphone.
So, step 1. Know your specific title or your department.
Prepositions: in, at, and for. Paul, prepositions are small words, but they change the meaning of your sentence completely.
I always get confused. Do I work for a company or at a company?
You can use both. You can say, I work for Google, or I work at Google. Both are perfect.
Okay, what about the location?
For cities and countries, use in. I work in London. I work in New York.
And if I want to talk about the people?
Use with. I work with a large team. I work with international clients.
Okay, let me try to combine them. I work for a bank in Chicago with financial experts.
That was a perfect B1 level sentence, Paul. Clear and grammatically correct.
Okay, I told them my title. Now they ask, what does that involve?
They want to know your responsibilities. A great phrase to use is, I'm responsible for.
But wait, after for, do I use a verb?
You use the ing form, gerund. I'm responsible for managing the team.
I am responsible for selling software.
Exactly. Another phrase is, I handle.
I handle customer complaints. That means I take care of them.
Or simpler, I deal with.
I deal with strict deadlines.
These phrases, responsible for, handle, deal with, are essential for A2 and B1 learners. To sound professional, you need strong action verbs.
Instead of saying, I do things, be specific.
If you are a manager, use verbs like lead, supervise, organize.
I lead a team of 5 people.
If you are a creator or engineer, use design, develop, create.
I develop mobile applications.
If you work with customers, use support, assist, help.
I assist clients with technical problems.
Action verbs make you sound active and important.
Sometimes people ask, what's a typical day like for you?
Here, we use the present simple tense because it is a routine.
So, I check my emails, not I am checking my emails.
Correct. I check emails every morning. I attend meetings. I write reports.
I analyze data.
Also, use frequency adverbs. I always start with coffee. I often visit clients.
I rarely leave the office before 6 p.m.
This paints a picture of your daily life. Keep the sentences short and clear. Now let's change the grammar. Sometimes you want to talk about right now, this year.
For temporary projects, we use the present continuous.
Currently, I am working on a new project.
I am developing a new website.
We are launching a new product next month.
It shows that your job is active and changing. It's not just the same routine every day.
Use the word currently or at the moment to start these sentences.
Emily, it is 2026. Many people don't go to an office anymore.
True, we need vocabulary for the modern workplace.
If you stay home, you say, I work remotely, or I work from home, WHF.
If you go to the office sometimes but stay home other days, that is called hybrid.
I have a hybrid schedule, 2 days in the office, 3 days at home.
And if you travel around the world with your laptop,
You are a digital nomad.
be ready to answer the question, do you work fully remote?
Yes, my company is fully remote. This is a very common conversation now.
Another 2026 topic is technology. Everyone uses tools.
You might say, I use AI tools to help with my tasks.
Or I automate repetitive work.
If you are learning new software, say I am upskilling.
Upskilling means learning new skills to get better at your job.
I use ChatGPT for drafting emails. Don't be shy about it. It shows you are modern.
Saying you are tech savvy, good with technology, is a great quality in 2026.
What if someone asks, do you like your job?
You can say yes, but let's add details. I find my job very rewarding.
Rewarding means it makes you feel good.
Or I enjoy the flexibility.
If you don't like it, be polite. Don't say I hate it.
Say, it is quite challenging, or it is a bit stressful at the moment.
Or I'm looking for new opportunities. That is code for I want to quit.
Yes, keep it professional. Focus on the work, not the complaints. Every job has hard parts. We call these challenges.
A common challenge is deadlines.
We have very tight deadlines. This means you have to work fast.
Another one is work-life balance.
It is hard to maintain a good work-life balance.
Or dealing with clients.
Dealing with difficult clients is the hardest part of my job.
Sharing a small challenge makes you sound honest and human. Let's talk about the people, the team.
You can describe your environment as collaborative.
My team is very collaborative. That means we help each other.
Or supportive. My boss is very supportive.
What if they watch every small thing you do?
That is a micromanager. I don't like being micromanaged.
In 2026, we value company culture.
The company culture is very relaxed, or it is very fast-paced. Sometimes you need to talk about your past, your background.
We use the past simple. I studied economics.
Or I used to work for.
I used to work for a small startup, but now I work for a corporation.
You can also mention experience. I have 5 years of experience in sales.
Note the preposition, experience in, not experience of.
Correct. I have experience in customer service.
Finally, the future. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
You want to show ambition. Use phrases like I hope to or I plan to.
I hope to get promoted.
I plan to lead my own team one day.
I want to specialize in AI technology.
Showing you have goals makes you an attractive employee.
We have covered everything, from job titles to future goals.
Now you can end the conversation professionally.
It was great connecting with you.
Let's stay in touch.
And the classic 2026 phrase, are you on LinkedIn?
Always ask for their LinkedIn profile. It is your digital business card.
So, Emily, I am a podcaster, I work remotely, and I find it very rewarding.
Perfect, Paul. You sound like a professional.
Thank you, Emily, and thank you, listeners.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do? Practice your new sentences.
Like and subscribe to Daily English Podcast 1.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.